Hey everyone, welcome to Banggood channel, and today's video we will present the latest HUAWEI HONOR Magic Watch. This is a model that comes with the rubber strap. There is other variation with leather bands in the brown color straight from the Banggood website with a 30% off discount for the retail price $160. When comparing the HUAWEI GT model to the HUAWEI HONOR Magic is slightly cheaper in price. Look at the specifications in the screen. I will also put links in the video description below so that way you can check it out. The smartwatch looks a bit modern in general, and the body is made of stainless steel and plastic. The watch style looks amazing regarding the silicone band is one of the best soft band. But more importantly, this has been very comfortable to wear. Also in the photos and in the videos, the watch does look huge. But the watch itself surprisingly light, it's not heavy at all, and the HUAWEI doesn't look big, where it looks unnatural. When you see this in person, as you can see in the video, I have small wrist, but the watch isn't unpleasant in size. And of course, I would recommend you trying one on yourself just to be sure. But going around the HUAWEI, like most smartwatches, the action button is located at the natural feeling 2 o'clock position. This button manually activates the screen or puts it back in the ambition mode. Holding it down brings up all the apps to use, which I will get into details shortly, and one more press here with the same button usually brings you back to your clock display. Rotating to the back, most smartwatches are now including a heart rate sensor and many other features. On the back, the HUAWEI features quick release pins, allowing you to use other bands that are 22mm width. Pins located here, they are shortened just a bit, so it's very easy to change bands on your personal desire. Watch face itself 5 ATM deep waterproof, which means it supports swimming. But I will not swim with this. Washing your hands and showering with this will be fine. Last, regarding its physical build, the front has 1.2-inch AMOLED display featuring a resolution of 390 by 390 resulting in 326 pixel density. The screen is technically visible and sharper. The charging type is dock charging with Type-C cable, but don't worry about that, you will probably charge the watch twice in a month, or if you are crazy user, then 4 times in a month. And talking about the power, the battery capacity 178 mAh. Now let's look for features of the smartwatch. To change the appearance, push and hold above 3 seconds and you will see 9 different styles. I like this minimalist design, it shows me everything what I need. And also the workout menu shows the running courses, outdoor run, outdoor walk, climb, outdoor cycle, indoor cycle, pool, open water and others. If slide down the screen, we will see the quick menu with D&D mode. Showtime feature, the screen will be on for 5 minutes. Find phone, lock and settings. If we slide up the screen, we will see the messages which I received on smartphone. If we slide left, we will see the heart rate, stress test, local weather and Alipay payment platform. I don't know if it's Alipay works there, but here in China it is very useful. Pay for your bus, shop and so on. There are also many features like step counting, reminders to exercise, and again if you push once at 2 o'clock button when it's unlocked, we will see features like workout records, heart rate, activity records, sleep, stress, breathing exercise, and many more like barometer, compass, weather, messages, bus card, Alipay, stopwatch, timer, alarm, flashlight, find phone and setting. So if you're thinking to get this smartwatch, I would say yes. Overall this watch was $160. Honor Magic smoothly, fast performance and sharp screen. Enough for my test and the styling. I personally prefer the so far the Huawei. I feel it's the best smartwatch. Thank you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.